What's up, everyone? Fabs95 here, and today we're going to be taking a look at one of the silver racers, Miguel Camino. Now, I got this a few weeks back. I haven't opened it in like a few weeks, as you can clearly tell. On the side, you see the Silver series, which has a Silver Lightning McQueen, which funnily enough, they're making a Silver Lightning McQueen, but I got that one a long time ago when it came out for Kmart. So as we see Miguel Camino in his normal colors, and then down here you see him silver. Clearly. You see the silver collection. Stylish and speedy, these shining racers pay homage to the roots of racing. I really don't see how this page, you know what, I'm not even going to get into this, but that's the back. So, let's open this guy right up. Future Fabs95 here. I forgot to say in the beginning of the video that if you're new here, please like and subscribe. And if you're not new here and you're already subscribed, just like the video. Also hit that notification bell so you can keep following my awesome content. And let's get back to the video because I'm probably interrupting myself. So let's get right into this. On his side, you see he has orange rims instead of his normal silver rims, actually, never mind. His colors are basically, you see the Spanish flag, his colors are basically all the same besides the orange, where it's normally orange, is silver. His eyelids have changed. He's not my favorite World Grand Prix racer, but he's one of the, I like him a lot more than some of them. He's an overall really nice diecast. Truly, I really wish that they would have released all the like types of the World Grand Prix racers from like different countries and everywhere, because there are some that never made it to the United States until some of like the other racing seasons, but it doesn't matter. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell like I said in the beginning if you have not already. We're trying to get to 500. I think it's possible. Also, in the next week or something, I'm going to have a lot more videos coming. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, man. See you guys next time.